dogs came running through the yard one day. My father got his gun and shot him up, they ran away, okay. A wild pack of family dogs came running through the yard one day. As my own dog ran away with them, I didn't say much anything at all. Didn't say much anything at all. As my little sister played, the dogs took her away, okay. And yeah, I guess everything was okay. Yeah, everything was okay. My mother's crying blood does now. My dad quit his job today. Well, I guess he was fired, but that's okay. I'm sitting outside my mud lake waiting for the pack to take me away. And right after I died, the dogs started floating up towards the glowing sky. A wild pack of family dogs came running through the yard one day. And yeah, I guess everything was okay. Receive their rewards. Yeah, they will receive their rewards. A wild pack of family dogs came running through the yard one day. As my own dog ran away with them, I didn't say much anything at all.